How to select text in images to copy or take action on iPhone. So first let's return back to the home screen. Then tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to go back to the main settings page. Then scroll down and tap on general. After that, we scroll down and tap on language and region. From here, scroll down to the bottom and make sure you turn on live text. Tap on the toggle to turn it on. Then next we open up your photo library. In here, simply select an image where you have the text. So for example, this one here, I have an image. Inside this image, there are text. So you can simply just try to touch and hold, and then it will a selection will come on. So from here, you can drag on the start and end selection tool to select that piece of text. You can also tap on this button here to quickly select all the text. Okay, once it is selected, you can tap on it and then you can choose copy. That will allow the text to be copied to the clipboard, or you can tap on the arrow button here for more options. You can look up, you can translate, or you can search the web. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.